Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Libras. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Libras, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. So let's see what are the cards first for your general energies. We have 10 of Suns, 7 of Spheres in reverse, and 9 of Suns in reverse. So with these cards, guys, in your situation, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. So maybe today you are someone who has a lot of responsibilities on your shoulders or burdens on your shoulders, and maybe for some of you there are people speaking against you, so they have hidden motives, evil intentions, so they are doing something against you, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship. So they do not like the way things are going for you guys, and they are quite jealous. That may be the reason they are behaving in such a way, guys. And maybe today there are lot of in your relationship, maybe misunderstandings, or in your work situation you may be seeing delays or some kind of obstacles, and there is a overall a sluggishness. Nothing is moving as it should. Maybe you expected things to unfold in a particular timeline, but everything is going in a very sluggish way. And maybe today you are sick, or someone in your circumstance, it may be your close friend or a family member, so they are sick and you are worried because of that. You are anxious because of that, and you don't know what to do. And if you are able to be really attentive, be really careful. So when you are making some important choices in your work situation or in your relationship, if you are careful enough, you will be able to make the right choice. And if you are strong and patient enough, you are going to weather these storms. So whatever troubles you are facing today, you will see a great change coming up, guys, if you can hold on patiently with perseverance and strength. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. So we have Apprentice of Spheres. So it just means that maybe this person you are in love with, if you had any doubts on this person, guys, if you were not clear about their intentions, they are loyal and they are dedicated to you, and you can trust them, guys. So maybe for some of you, this person may be much younger to you, and their way of doing things may be different from yours. So you may not have that clarity. So you may have some doubts about this person, what they are thinking or what they are up to. But you need to understand that they are loyal to you, they love you, and they trust you, and you can trust them, and they are reliable. Maybe because of that huge age difference, or because of their age, they are not voicing their thoughts, but you can trust this person, guys, Libras. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is 5 of spheres in reverse. So with this card in your career situation, guys, Libras, maybe things may be going in a difficult way. So your obsession to do things in a particular way, that may again be a reason for some difficulties you are seeing today, guys, Libras. So that is the reading, guys, with these cards. Thank you for watching, Libras. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today we have 2 cards. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. We will see what is the card for you all today. Not for you. So with this card, guys, it just means that maybe this relationship or this connection is not meant to be. So some relationships carry an innate seed of failure right from the beginning, and you need not feel sad or stressed. You need to understand that rejection is God's way of protection. So when something is denied to you, however hard you make efforts, some things may not go right and you may see failure in that. You need to understand that maybe it is not meant to be. That is the reason it is not manifesting, and there are much better things on its way towards you, and you can be happy for that, guys. And you need to trust this and understand that rejection is God's protection today for you. So in a relationship, sometimes when it is not meant to be, however hard you try or whatever you do, things will not go up to expectation. And maybe right from the beginning, you may have an understanding that this connection may not work. You may have an intuition, or sometimes you may not observe things in this way. But if this relationship is meant to be, it will proceed towards the positive way, guys. But if it is not, if you are rejecting or if that person is rejecting, it is good for both of your sakes, guys, because for each and every person there is a proper match here, and this person may not be the best one for you, guys. So you need to understand that, and you need not feel worried. There is a best fit waiting for you. So you just need to have trust today, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. This card for y'all, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, we have fairies, words. So with this card, it just means that in our circumstances today, guys, you need to be really careful what you speak, and you need to be really careful of the thoughts you have and the words we speak to people. It has a great impact in their life, guys. So that does not mean that we have to flatter someone to make them happy, go for that falsehood. It does not mean that. It just means that in each and every situation, we should speak with honesty and with the beauty of ourselves. So what inner beauty we have, Our words should come from that kindness and from that compassion. And when we speak words of kindness, you need not think of anything else. You will surely be rewarded today. And when you do good things for others, your good deeds will always be reciprocated, guys. May not be today, but the rewards will surely reach you for whatever good you are doing to the people. It may be a stranger or it may be a friend. To whomever you do something good, it is going to come back to you. And when you speak kind words, you are enriching yourself with more beauty and kindness. So that is the energy here, guys. So maybe in some situation today, you are doing things the right way, not for the sake of someone praising you or appreciating you, just for the truth and honesty, and for the beautiful soul you have. So you are doing the right things for the sake of the right thing, not for anything else. So maybe in your situation, something demands this action on your part, and you are moving ahead with honesty, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.